past habit mix-up. The classroom was sunny and quiet. Teacher Graham smiled at Quill, who was looking puzzled at his homework. "What's the trouble, dear one?" she asked gently. Quill pointed to a sentence that read, "Every summer, my family _______ visit the seaside." He said, "I know it's about the past, Graham, but should I use would or used to? They both sound right." Graham tapped her pen on the desk. The great past habit mix-up. They are twins, Quill, but with a tiny difference. Both would and used to talk about repeated actions in the past. Rule 1. Past actions, events. She wrote on the whiteboard, "When I was little, I used to catch fireflies. If it's an action we did many times, like catching bugs, both work." She added, "Every evening, I would run to the park after school. See? Would is great for telling a story about the past, especially when describing a specific routine you followed." Rule 2. Past states, non-action verbs. But here's the secret split. For past situations or states, things like be, live, have, love, or believe, you must only use used to. She wrote 2 sentences. This town used to be quiet, correct, and this town would be quiet, incorrect. The quietness isn't a repeated action. It's a permanent state of being at that time. Only used to can describe it. Quill quickly wrote down the rule. "So I used to have long hair is right, but I would have long hair is wrong, because have is a state, not an action?" Graham nodded proudly. "Perfect. So for your firefly sentence, my family used to visit the seaside is correct because visit is an action. And you can also use my family would visit the seaside for the same reason." The rule of thumb, Graham concluded, is if you can use would, you can usually also use used to. But when you talk about past states or things that were true, you used to need used to.